What's happening, peoples? How are you doing? Wow. Man, I be tripping. And I'ma put it on God. Like them young people say, it's on God. No, I'm just playing. But man, it's got to be some righteous indignation be going on. I be trying to get my work done. I be saying stuff and doing stuff that I'm like, man, I can't believe I said that. But people be tripping me out. And all of a sudden that timid, quiet man go away, and then it's like, y'all ought to be ashamed of y'allself. I can't help it. We had the meeting one time. Saved the meeting. Boss lady passing out 5-year achievement and dedication awards, and I'm like, boy, y'all lucky I ain't the supervisor, because some of them dedications out here, dedicated. I'd take a Sharpie and scratch out that and black out the dedicated. That got to go. Ain't no dedicated. Man, you dedicated to the bag. You dedicated to the insurance. You ain't dedicated. This lady just told us, can you please turn off the Christmas lights and close all the doors? It might rain tonight. And close the bay doors on the truck. Ain't no lights on in that employee parking lot. Ain't no doors open. Ain't no windows down. I don't see no Christmas light action in the parking lot. But y'all leave these lights on in here on purpose. I know I done walked up on you and overheard your conversations. God let me catch people doing a lot of stuff they don't want nobody like me to see. But my steps is ordered, so I stay running up on stuff and finding out stuff that I ain't even gotta ask. You tell on yourself and you confirm what I already be knowing in my spirit. I said, I'd have took them awards, you'll never get them. Every time they mail them to me, I lose them on purpose. Be like, what happened to the awards? I don't know. They just don't come. If they come, they must get misplaced. I'd be having to lie. That's a sin that I wouldn't be mad at doing. Lie. I lost your award. You didn't earn this. I done watched you. Y'all do as little as you possibly can. You act like kids, man. Like puppies out the yard. Come back. They went across the street and got parvo with the dogs in the alley. Now you're dead. They listen when the gate closed, but when they get out the yard, they don't know how to act. And that's how it is. A bunch of grown folk who don't know how to act like grown folk no more. They petty. They leave the lights on purpose. Man, I lose them awards. Y'all don't want to flatten my tires or fight me if I was y'all supervisor. Y'all lucky I ain't y'all boss. I done frisbee them suckers across the fence. Now, since y'all want to act like this on private property, it's on public property now over the fence. Go get it. Because you don't deserve it. I ain't even going to tell you who